Good afternoon, my friends. Eventually the day arrived. There is my paint. 4 tins of green, red for the fan, and black for the exhaust pipe. And this is for, I'll show you now what is that for, and some masking tape to mask some stuff off. So that plug, or one of them, will go to seal the water hopper there, because I'm not going to use the radiator. Let me just slowly take it to the radiator. It needs to be recored. So I'm going to run the Lister as the normal one that have only water in the hopper. That is standard actually on the Listers. But this one came out with this attachment for the radiator. So that radiator will be done later, but it will not hold us up to run it and do some tests and burn lights and whatever I want to do with it. So this will block off that. Okay, so I'm going to proceed and do the fan today. And if you hear the generator running, you must know we have load shedding from 2 o'clock today. So I will probably not talk and just spray. Okay guys, let the games begin. This is the back side, of course. So I'm going to take it slowly, give it time to dry, and then move the table. And that's a bolted fall. Okay, let me continue a little bit. Okay guys, the back side is not so important, but it looks okay. So I'm going to let it dry and do the other side. Okay, this is the final coat on the back side, guys. Okay guys, now I must be very cautious, because fresh paint on painted areas might lift that paint because of the thinners or whatever is in here. So I'm going to take it very light and let it sit a little bit just to dry. If you put too much on, it might lift the yellow paint. Okay, so that's why I take it very slow, like that, more or less. Let me show you one way to dry paint fast. Okay guys, here's our last coat on the fan. Okay, now it's outside to dry. It looks very good. Okay my friends, now for the exhaust pipe. It will be gloss black, and I'm not too worried about the exhaust pipe. I'm going to do it as best as I can, but it will in any case burn off. But at least for the after videos, it must look very good. Okay, let me continue. Okay guys, there's our exhaust done. It is rough because the surfaces is rough, but that is fine. That's the exhaust. As long as it look clean, that is what I want. Okay guys, we are now so far. So I would like to know, you see that linkages is all painted in cast iron. So I would like to know what you think. Just for the fun, must I make that links gold to go with all the brass work on the Lister? Or must I leave it like that? That go with the carburetor and that plate. Just for fun, what do you think? At this point I think both colors will fit in very nice. But this is how the fan came out. And the exhaust, which will fit there. Okay, and then I just want to mention, me and my wife go tomorrow morning, we go to a neighboring town, Hermanus, for shopping. The worldwide familiar town for whale watching. If you want to Google it, it is Hermanus, Hermanus. You will find there all the videos and information about whale watching in South Africa. But in any case, that is how far we proceed today. And we will continue tomorrow afternoon, probably with some masking, and hopefully we will continue with the green, but definitely in the days to come, Tuesday or Wednesday, we will finish up and give it a start up in its new clothes, ready for doing some work. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, that we continue with the Lister, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.